Starting from 5th February, no news will be able to telecast through state and country local news channel using cable line. Central Ministry of Information and Broadcasting Department has decided to stop the local news channel except for the satellite channel. As a result, thousands of reporters and cameramen from the state and country are in trouble. Central government took a decision to close some of the local news channels which telecast fake news, copyright violation, and paid news which is run through an unregistered platform service, MSO and LCO. For this, new guidelines were given by Central Ministry of Information and Broadcasting Department for all the MSO to register for the platform services since from the last 30th of November, and Central gave a time for 12 months for the registration, but the deadline for registration was up to 1st December 2023. But the multi-system operators from the state as well as country did not take any initiatives for the registration as ordered by Central Ministry of Information and Broadcasting Department. As a result, Central Ministry of Information and Broadcasting Department has decided to close down all the local news channels from the state and country from 5th February except for the channel run by satellites. No news will be able to telecast through state and country local news channel using cable line. However, numbers of people are working in local news channels for their living. However, if these local channels are shut down by the central, thousands of people working as reporters, anchor and cameramen will lose their job and they will be in the street. Which is why all the journalists from the state and country are in a great trouble. Likewise, there is also a bad news for those who are thinking to telecast their news through YouTube and Facebook because soon after all the local channels are closed down. A strict action will be taken against those who upload fake news and copyrights through a social media platform. On the other hand, all the officials of the local news channel sat on a press meet at Agartala Press Club on Sunday afternoon to bring out the solution of these problems. Later, officials of the news channel also spoke with the Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha. Likewise, speaking with Central Minister Pratima Bhumik, former State Chief Minister MP Biplab Kumar Deb and MP Revati Tripura, officials of local news channel decided to meet with the Minister of Central Ministry of Information and Broadcasting Department Anurag Singh Thakur. And for that, after a few days, all the officials of the local news channel will be heading towards Delhi. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.